Hi and welcome back to How To. I'm Graciana and today we're making cake box cookies. Here are the things you'll be needing to make them. Here we have our cake mix, which is lemon, and we have lemon frosting for the end. You'll need a bowl, a mixing spatula, and wax paper, oil, eggs, specifically just 2, a baking sheet, and a 1/2 cup and 1 tablespoon cup. All right, to get started, we're gonna open this up and pour it into the bowl. Don't explode. It's very yellow.
It's lemon.
Now, crack your 2 eggs into the bowl.
Make sure there are no eggshells.
Yes, make sure there are no eggshells. I got no eggshells, I swear.
That was a very nice pop.
That was. Next, you'll pour in your oil, 1/2 cup. And then you'll mix. You want to be sure not to add any more of the wet ingredients because it'll seem dry at first, but if you keep mixing, it'll come together. Now that we're done, your dough should look like this. Very much like cookie dough. And before we put it in the oven, we want to make sure that we have this over it, the wax paper, so that way your cookies don't stick to the pan. Then you'll take your tablespoon and scoop out your cookies and put them onto the tray. Okay, before we go into bake, you'll need to preheat your oven to 350 and you'll put them in the oven for around 5 to 10 minutes. And then they'll be good to eat.
You're welcome. You too.
All right, now that they're done and out of the oven, you can frost and enjoy.